quiet in front of you. Otherwise, I'd have my posse execute every single member of your family.
Where's my son? Where's my family? Where's my wife? Ah! Oh.
Now be quiet.
Just tell me where my family's at.
Where's my money?
What money? There is no money!
How do I make these lights? Isn't it justice? What's so funny?
You left the keys to the cups in your front coat pocket.
What?
Have you found justice yet?
Negative.
What was that? What's going on?
Well, I've got a better question. What do you want on your tombstone? Where's the van? The van was supposed to be here!
How's the weather?
Looks like it's gonna snow.
Looks like it's gonna rain.
Get Liberty Lab, dude.